Be a cutie with QT hair. How cute is that? Period. Okay, play around with these baby hairs now. Loose. Like, get into it. Y'all see what I be saying about the short curly hair with the baby hairs? Like, it's giving very much real hair. Like, this is so tea right now. So tea. So I'm about to spray this with some even one lace bond and put this band on and let this melt. And that is quite literally, y'all, all I do for these like really quick and easy installs when I'm on the go. That is literally all I do. It's so easy. Like, curly hair is honestly very, very easy to style. And it just looks so cute. Like, so tea.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Y'all, the hair is still drying, but like, tell me this don't eat down. Like, I'm gonna walk in a restaurant like the baddest in the restaurant, cause like, what? Snip that right there. Like, hello? Y'all could never ever make me hate wigs. Like, I'm gonna be a wig girly till I die, because your hair not done, it's okay, just throw a wig on. Like, you don't feel like doing your natural hair, just throw on a wig. Who's gonna stop you? Literally, who's gonna stop you? Nobody. Or this look with this top, I don't know, I feel like when I have on something like this that has my chest out, I kind of like my hair to be either short or pulled back. So yeah, really cute. Real tea. So y'all, that is the final look of this install. This is the unit from QTHAIR. This is their 8x5 glueless jerry curly wig in 22 inches, 200 density. Y'all, I just literally love jerry curly hair. Like, I just love curly hair. Like, this look turned out so pretty. I'm in love. Like, I'm just so in love. I'm obsessed with this look, y'all. I can't wait to put this wig back on again.